Like, I don't know what I did. I just woke up, haven't had my coffee yet, but when Maribel was toning my hair, I dyed my face black. So, good start to the day. The cutest little angel baby. Really looks like bear. Yeah, it looks like it just got a blowout. Perfect little teddy. Yeah. So soft, Maribel. Oh my god. Ten for scale.
Oh, you're so good.
How many inches is this?
This is 18.
Super cute. And how many strands would this be?
This is 8 bundles. So it's about 200 grams of hair.
Look at that shine.
Beautiful shine.
Wow, it's so shiny. So I'm back at Sabino Salon. I just had my hair toned and trimmed, and now Maribel is putting in some 18-inch Bellami extensions. It's been a while since my last extension video, but I feel like sometimes you just go through stages where you want to have no makeup, do nothing to your hair, be super low maintenance, look like a 12-year-old boy, and then other times you want to be like the most glam with eyelash extensions and the longest princess hair in the world, and now I'm entering back into the glam stage with Maribel. Okay, so the number one question that people DM me, email me, ask me on Yelp, ask me on Instagram is, how much does it cost?
Oh, it's very easy.
Let's break it down, I guess, by hair and then by labor. Is that how you do it?
Yes, it's 2 different things. What they need to do is come in for a consultation. Price is different for every single person. But let's break it down. Generally speaking, on what we charge.
Yeah.
So when you come in, depending on your length, texture, and what you want, we decide how many bundles you want.
So if you have fine hair, you'll need like 4 to 6 bundles approximately. If you have thick hair like me,
medium hair, 6 to 8.
6 to 8 for medium hair.
And then for super thick hair, it's 8 to 10.
8 to 10. So I've got 8 bundles and I've got really thick hair, but also my hair was kind of short. So if you have really long hair, I don't know, maybe you might need more to balance it out.
So everybody is different.
Everybody
but that's an average. So when you come in here, what we do is we order your hair and you pay for it. For hair, you can see all prices at BellamiHair.com. They start from 16 inches to 22 inches, and it gives you the exact price, including taxes. Once you come into your consultation, we order the hair, you pay for your hair, and for the installation, I charge $150, starting from $150 an hour.
Okay.
And so it takes an average 4 to 6 hours, depending on how much hair you have. You have a little bit of hair, 24 hours, and then it just goes up from there.
Okay, so it's about starting at 115 hour.
Yes.
And generally speaking, it takes anywhere from 4 to 6 hours.
Yes.
Generally speaking, could be quicker, could be longer.
Yes.
And people don't have to use Bellami hair,
No, they
but
don't.
from my personal experience, if you've watched my last video, you know that I was using a different brand. The first time I used that brand was great, and it lasted 7 months. And the second or third time I used that brand, my hair got matted. It was like a bird's nest. I was here for hours while Maribel's mom had to detangle my hair one by one. It literally was like Rastafarian dreadlocks. It was hard. Like, I honestly, when I came in here, thought that they would have to cut it out. I was amazed.
Really scared.
Yeah, it was really scary, and I was amazed that they were able to take it out so cleanly. Like, it was such a relief. But I mean, anyway, so you don't have to order Bellami extensions if you don't want to. Maribel will do any kind, but I personally I prefer Bellami just because I've used the alternative, and honestly, it's not worth the stress, the headache. It does mess up your real hair if your extensions aren't nice. So I mean, there are so many different price levels you can buy for hair extensions, but I mean, I would just go with Maribel's recommendation on how many you need, what length you need, what type you should get. So I used to do body wave because my hair is wavy, but because my hair gets really curly at the root, I noticed it tangling. So now I actually relaxed my hair once. What did we use?
We use the
Kera. Oh, we use Kera.
Yeah.
And now I get straight ones just because I feel like it's less high maintenance. I mean,
Yes.
extensions will always be high maintenance.
Yes.
It's a high maintenance process, but I feel like it gets less tangled when I get the straight ones.
Yes, and I feel like it makes having straight hair actually guide, and the long hair guides short hair. So the straight long hair kind of influences the hair to stay the way it makes it straight.
I do less heat styling.
Good.
Because I mean, my natural hair is gonna be a bit wavy, but it kind of like masks within these 500 strands
Exactly.
of fake ass hair.
I also like for everybody to know.
I mean, it's real hair. It's Remy.
Yeah.
It's real human hair. It's
Yes.
Remy hair, but it's not it's fake ass to my head.
Exactly. So the longest I've ever had anybody keep their extensions, their KTIP extensions, because their hair doesn't really grow fast, and it was black and it was super low maintenance. It was exactly a year.
That's amazing.
I know. And if you need, you can totally do that. That's absolutely attainable.
Right, but I mean, for me, like, I go in the ocean.
Oh, yeah.
I take good care of them, but like, you know, really you're supposed to wash it maybe once a week. Sometimes I do that more.
Yes.
You're
Oh, that's
not really
right. Yeah,
supposed to-
you can't. You're not really supposed to wash these every day.
If you go in the ocean, you're supposed to like French braid your hair, but I just was wild.
Yeah.
So I mean, 7 months, and that's me not babying it. But if you really want to baby, I mean, it's an investment. No matter if you buy from Bellami or any other brand,
Yes.
it's a huge investment, and so you might as well get your money's worth and keep it in for as long as you can.
Exactly. Especially because you're going to be wearing it for months. You want to have the best experience possible.
Halfway done. We just finished my hair. It feels so soft. It's incredible. I'm so excited. Thank you, Maribel, and everyone at Sabino Salon again for squeezing me in before my trip. I love it.